Which bird is green in color and has a red color beak? Parrot. Parrot. Which bird is the symbol of peace? Dove. Dove. Which bird can make a hole in the trunk of a tree with its beak? Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Which bird has beautiful feathers? Peacock. Peacock. Which bird can swim in water? Duck. Duck. Which bird comes out only at night? Owl. Owl. Which is the largest and the fastest running bird? Ostrich. Ostrich. Which is the smallest bird? Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Which bird is used for carrying messages? Pigeon. Pigeon. Which bird is black in color? Crow. Crow.